How to download and use Meta AI. So first, how to download it. So to download Meta AI, you'll first need to go to this website here or this link here, and then simply just click this Try Meta AI button. After you do that, it will redirect you to Meta AI. Now in the Meta AI website, which is what you can see here, it's also a desktop version and you don't need to download this. And this is how you can use Meta AI. Now to download it first though, you'll have to go to Facebook or Messenger or Instagram. And from there, you can download the Meta AI itself on your phone. But for using it, you can just type meta.ai and you can now start prompting. Like for example, you can easily ask it some questions. And that's how basically you can use Meta AI. It can also generate images and have a lot of unique prompts like ChatGPT. And it's also as smart as ChatGPT because it can generate images to its full detail. You can even design and edit it at yourself by imagining some photos. Like for example, imagine a cat dancing and wait for it to generate. And from there, you can also edit those that images that he prompted. Example, just click that, and as you can see, you can edit it yourself. That's how basically you can use AI to generate images or the Meta AI to generate and edit images. And that's how you can use and download Meta AI.